So Jasper, why don't we just kind of walk through it and I'll listen to your heart and lungs.
The whooping cough epidemic was declared after doctors reported a surge in cases of the deadly disease.
And right now, just in the first 5.5 months, as I said, we probably have about half this number of cases, 1,500, and 5 infants have already died, all under 3 months of age.
Babies are most vulnerable because they haven't been immunized and have no natural immunity to fight the disease. An infected baby will get apnea and stop breathing. The state is on track to pass on 9 deaths that were reported 5 years ago during the last epidemic. A typical whooping cough case starts with a cough and runny nose for 1 to 2 weeks, followed by weeks of rapid coughing.
They'll cough so hard they'll throw up. They'll cough so hard sometimes that they just turn red and blue in the face. Older kids will have the characteristic whoop where the disease gets its name, where they cough so hard and then they take a big breath in, which is the whoop of the whooping cough.
Adults get it as well, often referred to as the 100-day cough.
I had one mother in my clinic a year ago who was coughing so hard she broke a rib. So it's that kind of a cough.
Here on the Central Coast, 41 cases of whooping cough have been reported in the Tri-County area, though not all have been confirmed and no deaths have been reported. But a warning to parents, be vigilant.
It's to be aware, to be alert, and to realize that by doing so, you're protecting the most vulnerable in our society, these little infants for whom pertussis is a deadly disease, and they have no ability to have immunity through vaccines.
And if there's one thing that parents could take away from this epidemic, it's that they should immunize their children, especially infants. Dan?
All right, good advice. Thank you, Felix. California actually set a record for whooping cough in 1958. In that year, more than 3,800 cases were reported. Health officials fear we could be on track to pass that number this year. We have much more information on whooping cough on our website. You'll find links to answer all your questions about symptoms and treatments, what to look for. Just go to the As Seen On section at KSBW.com.